All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get into the TikTokers Creators Fund. It's fairly simple, and it's actually only, what, 4 steps? I think the first step is go up here, click this if you don't have a pro account. This will teach you how to make your account a TikTok Pro account. It's required to get in. 2, go to your main profile page. Click the top 3 buttons to load up all the options for everything for your profile. Next, go to Pro Account. Once you click Pro Account, it loads up the next 3 options. The top one is Analytics, then is TikTok Creators Marketplace, and then the third one is, voila, the TikTok Creators Fund. We'll click there, and then once you click there, it'll tell you the requirements to get in. And I'm going to read the whole description for you real quick. Let's TikTok Creator Fund. Get funding to make the content you're passionate about. We've launched the TikTok Creator Fund to support creators who are looking for opportunities to get funded through their content. Cool, right? To participate, accounts must be in good standing, follow our community guidelines, agree to the TikTok Creator Fund agreement, and meet and maintain certain eligibility criteria, which are: you have to have 10,000 followers, have at least 10,000 video views within the last 30 days, and be at least 18 years or older. After that, you click the bottom and you're in, if you fit the criteria. I didn't have to go through any more steps. As soon as I pressed it, I was in. They said, oh, your dashboard's ready. And here's what the dashboard looks like. And that's it. You're in the Creator Fund if you have all this criteria, and that's it. Now, in this video, I'm going to be going over how much you make per view. And this is why I think the Creator Fund is kind of a joke. But without further ado, thank you for watching, or whatever. I can't speak English. If you watch my live streams on Twitch, you would understand that I have problems speaking English sometimes. And this was actually a very good take. Anyway, have a good day. Keep on TikToking, and peace.